this is very relaxing, and we'll get addicted to this thing.
This is a stress buster.
I wanted to do something more than that.
Her concentration level have increased and she's more focusing on studies.
I just don't want to do my homework, so I just do crochet.
पता है ये कैसे बनवाना करके, लेकिन मुझे ज़्यादा मेरे डॉटर्स और वो ग्रैंड डॉटर्स मुझे इनकरेज किया. मैं थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे बना रही थी, ये कैसे बनवाना करके उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया. मैं मेरे छोटे बचपन में मेरा दादी ने मुझे सिखाया था, लेकिन मुझे भूल गई. बाद में तो क्रोशा तो भूल गया था. वायरिंग का काम कर रही थी मैंने. बाद में बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए, लिखाने के लिए, स्कूल जाने के लिए वो तो मेरे काम ख़त्म हो गए. लेकिन उम्र होने के बाद ये मेरे बेटी महिला उन्होंने शुरू किया था. बाद में मेरे बच्चे लोग भी करने के लगा, पोते लोग ने, उन्होंने मुझे इनकरेज किया था. मैं अभी सिखा रही हूँ और 10 लोग के मैं अभी सिखा रही हूँ अभी अगले प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. ये सीखने के बाद मेरे पोते लोग ना पूरा बंद कर लिया टीवी देखने के लिए. मुझे पहले आदत हो गया था टीवी देखने के लिए और मोबाइल देखने के लिए भी मुझे आदत छूट गया, मोबाइल नहीं देखना. ऐसे ही उसी में थे मैं लगी रहती हूँ.
This is like, we all friends decided to do this to, encourage other people and kids to, for the, stress buster kind of thing. So we all started doing this, and my friend Mehala, I would like to thank her because she pulled everyone into this, because this is very relaxing, and we'll get addicted to this thing. Like in one day, one hobby we should do, any of the whatever you like to do, at least 1 hour. She's also a VP for a company, but she still find time for these things, and at least 1 hour she try to learn new stitches, and she does a lot of things.
Because of my mother, she likes me being a champion. So yeah.
So you won Guinness Record, right?
Huh?
You won Guinness Record.
Yeah.
Tell me what was that? Why did you win Guinness Record?
Because I wanted to make it, and I wanted a goal in my life, and I wanted to be a champion. In the future, I want to become a doctor, having a lot of patients, helping them.
Making granny squares.
Okay, so what do you do making that? What do you do with this?
Make squares with crochet.
Okay, who told you about this to take this? Is it your interest, or did mama, papa, grandma, who told you about this?
My mother.
Okay. So you are the youngest, you won Guinness Record? Why? Why you won Guinness Record?
Because I like it, and that was my dream.
Okay. You don't like to play games outside?
No.
Then what do you do at home?
Play card games.
Okay. And what about this? How much of time you spend on crochet?
I don't know.
You don't know? So what do you want to do in the future?
Be helpful.
This is my second world record with Mahila Manovikas.
What did you get this award for?
Crocheting squares.
My mom told me about this. She had done it last year and I was also interested, so I just started.
So do you miss out your important friends playing with them, or you spend more time on this?
No, I do both.
You do both. What about you don't like going out playing games?
I like both.
Playing games?
Yes.
Okay, so how much of time you spend every day? Do you spend every day, every week? How is it? You go for class, how is it?
No, I actually spend at least half an hour.
Okay.
That's it.
What's your plan in future?
I want to earn more Guinness records, become an artist as well.
So you guys all are Guinness record holders, right?
Yes.
4th grade.
Okay, which school are you from?
Delhi Public School.
Okay, Delhi Public School. So what did you learn?
I learned like crocheting, making sweaters and with knots and
So how much of interest you have making this?
I have 100% of interest, like making granny squares out of crochet with knots. And
Did somebody tell you to do this, or was your interest?
it was my interest.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tell me, why did you learn this? What made you? What is the interest?
So my aunt was actually crocheting and she was encouraging me to do it, and as soon as I learnt it, it was a stress reliever and it was very interesting.
So what's your plan in future? What do you want to do in future?
I want to make like more caps, blankets and gloves and donate it to other people.
So you want to become an IAS officer, police officer, doctor?
No, I just wanted to crochet in the future or like draw something.
Who's there in your family? Have you seen any of your grandmother or your mother doing this?
Yeah, even my whole family does crochet, so I got encouraged by them.
Okay, which school are you from?
Sri Chaitanya Techno School.
So how was this project? What made you to pick up this thing? What was the reason to learn this?
Since it was interesting, I got an interest in it.
So did anybody tell you regarding this, or how was the interest came to you? Did you see someone doing this, or what was it?
I saw a few videos on YouTube and I got an interest.
So after seeing the video, whom did you tell, like, I want to learn something? And how did you come to know about this? Like, there's something called, there are people who are going to train you on this.
My mother showed me some videos and that's how I got interest.
Then why this? What did you learn here?
I learned crochet. I am part of the Mahila Manovikas display lodge.
What made you, like, what was the reason? Like, did somebody tell you about this, or what made you to pick up this art? Because see, as a kid, you guys are always busy with playing with friends, going trips, playing games, but why this? How much of time you spend with it?
I don't know. Like mostly 1 hour, 2 hours like that.
Okay, what do you want to do in future?
Help others, make shawls and give to others too. So yeah.
Okay, so what did you learn here?
Crochets, how to make crochets.
So how is it? Is it easy? Is it interesting, or is it boring?
Interesting.
Okay, so how much of time you spend every day on this? Like
10 to 5 minutes.
Oh, every day. So who's your trainer? Like who's giving you a training on this? Like
Mehala Manovikas.
Okay. What do you want to do in future?
I want to make more crochets.
You want to make more
Crochets.
Okay. Why you guys are here? What are you guys trying to do here?
Hey, hi. My name is Mehala. I am part of Mahila Manovikas team. We are here to celebrate our Guinness World Record, which happened in September. So we have set a record of largest display of crochet squares, which is like counting up to 58,112. And this is the first record which is made in this particular category. And here we are doing a success meet with the Bengaluru people, who is aging from like 5 years to 86 years. So we have the entire team coming here to celebrate our victory. And we are very thankful to the founder of Mahila Manovikas team, who is Madhavi Suribhatla ma'am. And today she could not join us, but yeah, she will be connecting with us in a video call soon. So crochet is basically an art where we use yarn and needles to make the work. So I can show you some of our crochet work. So this is a simple crochet which is made by our team, and like this we have made several patterns, and using these small crochet squares we convert these into usable products. So if you see, the products are like blankets. So this is a baby blanket. So this is like a shortest one, but we also make the largest blankets, and also we convert this into different products like handbags, cowls, shawls, and so on.
So what happens when is this product for sale, and how is it? If people have to purchase, what's the process for it?
So this is not for sale, sir. So completely this is a project which was done for donation. So we have already donated to multiple hospitals, orphanages, and we also have reached out to some of the northern side, which is the colder side of India, to donate these products to them.
So what if in case people want to buy this? Is there any option for them?
No,
It's-
sir.
it's
This is completely for charity. So we are very sure that we are not going to make any business out of this.
Why this kind of a concept? Because when you talk about Guinness, I mean, you could have tried a lot of other things, like, why this concept? What was the reason? Because you had some experienced person in this craft. Was that the reason?
So we have people who are experienced in crochet as well as we are the first timers. So our agenda is we have to make this art grow, or we have to make this art reachable to multiple parts of India, and also we have trained several of them during this journey. So the major agenda of this particular Guinness World Record is make the products which is usable by people, and we don't want to promote it as a business or a sale purpose.
Ma'am, I totally understand about seniors getting involved. How about the juniors, young kids? What made them to get into this?
Yeah, sure. So we have students who are aging from 5 years up to 15 years who have joined our mission. So what we do is we train them during their summer vacations or during their holidays. So we train them with simple stitches, and then we go on with making complex projects along with them. So these kids are very fragile and they learn it quickly. They learnt it quickly. So we see them, they have potential to do more on this particular subject.
My name is Candida Carvalho. So why crochet? So crochet has been from a lot of generations to generations, but now because of Madhu ma'am, we have all come together. We have encouraged the small children also to take part. So we have participants from 6 years up to 86 years also who has taken part in this. And why crochet for children? Because now you know that technology has taken over and kids are spending so much of screen time. So we thought, okay, let's introduce them to something called crochet, which is an easy one. So we took classes, and there it was. We actually showed them that we can break a record, even small kids can break a record, and this is why we are here.
Now, how was the parents' approach when you spoke about that? Because today, when we see most of the parents, they want the children to get into more physical activities. Like,
Yeah.
The parents are forcing the children to get into cricket, sports, football, other things, and most of the children are like busy with phone and other things. So,
Yeah.
was it easy to convince the parents?
Yes, it was very easy to convince the parents, because parents themselves were like telling, okay, they have to learn some art, and outdoor is always there, but they are spending so much of screen time. So this is the reason we approached them, and the parents were all supportive in this. They in fact encouraged their children to take part in this, and yeah, that's the reason we have achieved so many children in this time.
Ma'am, tell me about how many Guinness records, age-wise, like, and how many children have won the Guinness World Record. Tell me about that.
We from age 6 onwards, we have the youngest one who took part. She's just age 6, and there was another child. He's age 7. So total of 93 children took part in this.
I'm a software engineer.
Okay, I think you're also a participant, or your daughter is a participant?
My daughter is a participant.
And what made you take up, because since you come from a tech background, and most of the parents always think that tech children to be engineers and things, like, do you think, are you going to let your daughter take her future call, like what she wants to do in the future?
Yes. Whatever she loves, I want her to do that one. And she loves art, craft, and crocheting. And she's very much interested in that. So I wanted her to pursue her hobbies.
Ma'am, how much important role of a parent when it comes to the student or a child taking a call and what she wants to do? Because sometimes parents do not encourage, they want them to do what parents want to do.
Yes, parents should encourage the child what they like, because when they do the one which they like, they will be more interested and they'll be more involved into that, and they will not distract anywhere, and that helps the child to achieve whatever they want in future.
Ma'am, after this getting into this art, your daughter, what difference have you seen, ma'am?
Her concentration level have increased, and she's more focusing on studies, and she's always happy. She's not sitting idle, and she's very busy. She's not wasting time watching TV and all.
I'm Sushma Majetti. My profession is I'm a music teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, a music teacher, and how come this? What made you do?
Yeah, through Facebook and through my cousin, I came to know Mahila Manovikas group and Madhu ma'am, and she's also music teacher and come crochet this one, and I'm participating the first time for a Guinness World Record, and I'm feeling very happy, and I'm thankful to Madhu ma'am for giving opportunity to showcase our talent.
Ma'am, for us, for normal human beings, when we have little sad, happy, it's a best time for us to listen to music. you being a musician, you coming from music background, like, what do you find good in this about this?
Sorry.
What do you find good about this?
Find about the crochet. It's very relaxing, and I like to do crafts as well. That's why I want to recognize myself participating in the Guinness World Record.
My passion is crochet.
How this passion came? Was it a...
No, this I learned when I was studying degree from my neighbors, and since then I am doing crochet. And now after introduction of Madhu ma'am, I participated in this Guinness record.
And do you think this kind of art is important?
Yes, this is a stress buster. See, in the mid of the work, or if I get angry on someone, I do crochet and I get relaxed.
So what's your plan for this now? Are you trying to take this serious in future? Because
Yes. Even my kid is participating. This is her second Guinness record, and this year for flags she will get the hat-trick record.
So it's a nice time for both mother and son or daughter.
Mother and daughter, yes.
To participate. And how important is a parent's role when it comes to giving a platform for the child to think or do what they want to do? How important is it?
See, this is actually diverting kids from watching TV or playing games in mobile, and she also like to do more things and show to her friends, and in school she's feeling proud in showing the certificate which she achieved.
Hi, I'm Sindhu. I'm an educator from Worldwide Book of Records.
Okay. Is your daughter taking part, or are you also taking part in it?
No, I am taking part.
Okay. So how come all of you? How come? What made you do this?
I am actually a Rubik's Cube tutor, and I have done a number of records in that. But I wanted to do something more than that. So when I got to know about Madhu ma'am is conducting some crochet Guinness World Record, so I thought I can also try. And Madhu ma'am gave me so much of support, and Swarnalata ma'am from Team F, she's also has given me so much support. And I am a beginner, the absolute beginner, and they have given me ample time and good support and the training for me to achieve this.